Today we will learn what is a circle and how to measure a circle.
Look, Vandana. This is a tractor. Are you seeing this for the first time? No, I have seen a tractor before, but I am seeing it so close for the first time. What is so shocking then? I am shocked to see its tires. Look, they are almost as big as us. Yes, they are very big. Compared to them, the tires of our bicycles look so small. And look at the tires of the scooter. They are smaller than that of our bicycle. Yes, but the tractor also has two types of tires. And the front tire is smaller than the tire at the rear. You noticed one thing? We saw four different sizes of tires. But all are in the shape of a circle. Yes, you are right, Neha. All are circular. But how will we know how big or small they are from each other? Why not ask Sir in class today? Yes, let's ask Sir. Sir, I have to ask something.
Please ask.
Sir, I want to know how is a circle measured.
I will definitely tell you. But first tell me, why do you want to know this?
So today we saw tractor, bicycle and scooter tires in the school parking lot. We have understood that all tires are circle shaped and there is a difference in their size. But to find out the difference, we should know how to measure those tires. So we want to learn how to measure a circle.
Oh, so this is the thing. Before measuring any circle, you have to understand what a circle is.
Sir, a round figure is called a circle.
Yes, but what is a round figure?
What does this mean?
Let me explain. Firstly, I will show you the wheel of a bicycle. It is round, that is, in the shape of a circle. Let's make a simple drawing of this wheel so that it is easy to understand. Now, the first thing you need to know about a circle is that it is a closed shape because it has a boundary on all sides. See, we cannot call this figure a circle.
The dot you see in the middle of the circle
Is the center of the circle. There are many lines going from the center to the boundary of the circle, and we need to know that all these lines are equal in length.
Okay, sir. We understood these things about a circle. But what is the definition of a circle?
If you write properly what you have understood, you will get the definition of a circle. Look, circle is a closed figure in which all the points located in it are at equal distance from the center.
Sir, now we know the definition of circle, but we have not learned how to measure it.
As soon as I tell you the properties of a circle, you will learn about measuring it.
Sir, then tell us.
The first property of a circle is the center.
The dot inside the circle, which lies exactly in the middle of the circle, is called the center of the circle.
And all the circles have only one center. The second property of a circle is the diameter.
What is a diameter?
If we draw a straight line joining both sides of the circle in such a way that it goes through the center of the circle, then that line will be called the diameter of the circle.
This means that we have to measure its diameter to measure the circle. If we measure the diameter of all the wheels, then we can tell the difference between the wheels.
Absolutely right. But before that, you should know another property of a circle.
So what is a radius?
The distance from the center of the circle to the boundary is called radius. It is half of the diameter, so it can also be called half diameter.
That means if we measure the distance from the center of the wheels to the boundary, then we will know their radius. Yes, and we can also tell the difference between wheels when we know the radius of different wheels.
Absolutely right. Now you have understood how to measure a circle. So, now you can measure the wheels you were asking about. Today we learned a circle is a closed figure in which all the points are at the same distance from the center. The straight line passing through the center of the circle, which meets both sides of the circle, is called the diameter of the circle. The distance from the center of the circle to the boundary is called radius. To measure a circle, the radius of circle is measured. The radius of a circle is half its diameter. The diameter of a circle is twice its radius.